Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is 2nd of March 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 2nd of March 2021. Our first question is India's first toy manufacturing cluster will be formed in which of the following state? Answer is option number 4, Karnataka. India's first toy manufacturing cluster will be formed in Karnataka to boost domestic industry. Aquas Private Limited is developing a 400-acre toy manufacturing cluster at Koppal in Karnataka at an investment of $500 million, and toy industry globally is a $90 billion market and India's market size is about $1.7 billion and India imports $1.2 billion worth of toys annually, mostly from China, and the toy cluster is being developed to raise domestic manufacturing. Answer will be option number 4, Karnataka. Karnataka, look at map. This is Karnataka. Capital is Bengaluru. Governor is Vajubhai Vala, and Chief Minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yedurappa. Next, who among the following has recently been honored with Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award? Answer is option number 2, Narendra Modi. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi has been awarded with the Keravik Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award for his commitment to sustainability in energy and environment. He has been awarded with this award during an annual Keravik Conference 2021 which has been held virtually from March 1st to March 5, 2021. Answer will be option number 2. Next, which of the following institution has published a report titled School Feeding Report 2021 recently? Answer is option number 3, WFP, that is World Food Program. The United Nations World Food Program, that is WFP, has released its report titled The State of School Feeding recently, and it provides an analysis of the state of school feeding worldwide in 2020. It was first published in 2013. This edition of a report provides an analysis of the state of school feeding program before the COVID-19 pandemic, and it describes the damage caused by the pandemic. As per the report, the COVID-19 pandemic risk have reversed the efforts that were made worldwide in the decade to provide nutritious food to the most vulnerable children across the globe. Answer will be option number 3, WFP, World Food Program. World Food Program. It is the food assistance branch of the United Nations. It is the world's largest humanitarian organization and the largest one focused on hunger and food security and the largest provider of the school meals. It was formed on 19th of December. It was formed on 19th December 1961. Headquarters is in Rome, which is in Italy. Next, India's first undersea tunnel is being constructed in which of the following cities? Answer is option number 4, Mumbai. India's first undersea tunnel is being constructed in Mumbai. It is being constructed as a part of the Mumbai Coastal Road project, which comprises the land-filled roads on the areas that are reclaimed from the sea, tunnels and bridges. Answer will be option number 4, Mumbai. Next, senior IAS officer Arun Kumar Singh has recently been appointed as the next Chief Secretary of Dash. Answer is option number 1, Bihar. Look at the image. This is Arun Kumar Singh. He is 1985 batch IAS officer and recently he has been appointed as the next Chief Secretary of Bihar. Answer will be option number 1, Bihar. Bihar, look at map. This is Bihar. This is Bihar. Capital is Patna. Governor is Fagu Chauhan. Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar. Its legislature has 243 plus 75 members. That is in Vidhan Sabha there are 243 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 75 members. 14 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 16 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Bihar. It borders with Nepal, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and West Bengal, and Ganga, Gandak, Bagmati, Mahananda, Son and Kosi are the main rivers of Bihar. Next, what will be India's growth rate in the next financial year as predicted by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India? Answer is option number 2, 10.5%. Recently, RBI has projected that in the next financial year, that is in 2021-22, India's GDP growth rate will be 10.5%. So answer will be option number 2. RBI, what is RBI? Long form is Reserve Bank of India. It was formed on 1st of April 1935. Headquarters is in Mumbai and currently Governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Shaktikant Das is the 25th Governor of RBI. Which of the following state government is setting up a flower processing center? Answer is option number 3, Karnataka. The Karnataka State Horticulture Department is setting up a flower processing center in collaboration with the International Flower Auction Bangalore to convert unsold flowers into various useful products. This facility will provide support to the flower farmers who suffer huge losses whenever there is a glut or market disruption. With the help of this flower processing center, growers can learn the art of flower processing. Answer will be option number 3, Karnataka. Next, which of the following state government has recently signed a MOU with SIDBI to develop the micro, small and medium enterprises ecosystem in the state? Answer is option number 4, Andhra Pradesh. Recently, the state government of Andhra Pradesh has signed an MOU with SIDBI to develop the micro, small and medium enterprises ecosystem in the Andhra Pradesh. SIDBI will set up a project management unit which will design schemes and programs in the areas like equity support, interest subvention, resolution of stressed MSME and supporting MSME entrepreneurs. Answer will be option number 4, Andhra Pradesh. SIDBI, what is SIDBI? Long form is Small Industries Development Bank of India. It is a development financial institution of India. It was formed on 2nd of April 1990 with the aim of providing finance facilities and short-term lending to industries and serves as the principal financial institutions to the MSME sector. Its headquarters is in Lucknow, which is in UP, and currently chairman of SIDBI is Devendra Kumar Singh. And Andhra Pradesh, look at map. This is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the first state to be formed on a linguistic basis in India on October 1st, 1953. Capital is Amravati. Governor is Vishwabhushan Harichandan. Chief Minister is Y.S. Jagannath Reddy. Its legislature has 175 plus 58 members. That is in Vidhan Sabha there are 175 and in Vidhan Parishad there are 58 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 11 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Andhra Pradesh. It borders with Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers of Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the cultural dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Next, which of the following athletes is known as Dhing Express? Answer is option number 2, Hima Das. Look at the image. This is Hima Das and he is popularly known as Dhing Express. She is an Indian sprinter from the state of Assam. She is the first Indian athlete to win gold medal in the track event at the IAAF World Under 20 Championship, and she recently has been appointed to the post of DSP in Assam Police under State's Integrated Sports Policy. Answer will be option number 2, Hima Das. Next question is, Chief Minister of which of the following state has recently announced to present separate agriculture budget from the next year? Answer is option number 2, Rajasthan. Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has recently presented farmer friendly budget in the Rajasthan Assembly and has announced that a separate agriculture budget will be presented from the next year. Answer will be option number 2, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, look at map. This is Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 members. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Andhra Pradesh. It borders with Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India, and Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Nagaur district in Rajasthan on 2nd of October 1959. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as National Science Day? Answer is option number 3, 20th February. Which of the following state government has announced Mahasamruddhi Mahila Sakshamikarana scheme, which is set to be launched on March 8? Answer is option number 3, Maharashtra. Which of the following organization has recently published a report titled State of Environment Report 2021? Answer is option number 3, CSE. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Proteins Day? Answer is option number 2, 27th February. Which of the following state government has recently increased the retirement age of government employees to 60 from 59? Answer is option number 3, Tamil Nadu. To improve reliability, capacity and security of the power transmission network in the state of Dash, Union government has signed a loan agreement of $304 million with AIIB. Answer is option number 2, Assam. Who among the following has been honored with the International Anti-Corruption Champions Award by United States recently? Answer is option number 1, Anjali Bharadwaj. Sitaram Kunte has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of which state recently? Answer is option number 4, Maharashtra. ISRO has successfully launched 18 co-passenger satellites from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota along with satellite Amazonia 1. Amazonia 1 belongs to which nation? Answer is option number 4, for Brazil. And last question was, who has inaugurated the India Toy Fair 2021 recently? Answer is option number 3, Narendra Modi. These were the questions asked in last video. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which among the following state has become the first state in India to present paperless budget? Answer is option number 1, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has become the first state in India to present paperless budget. Now today's question is, India's largest hockey stadium will be built in dash. Options are Assam, New Delhi, Odisha and Maharashtra. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.